I'm having trouble migrating Gmail accounts in a workspace. Something about IMAP is not working. This is happening with multiple of my clients and I need a solution. Thank you for any insights. There's so many ways to migrate emails. The two main ways that people will do it is they will either use the built-in migration tool in the admin panel, in the workspace admin panel. The second option is third-party tools. There's a bunch of different tools that you can use to migrate mailboxes. If you're getting an error around IMAP, it's potentially the sending server's settings. So is IMAP enabled in Gmail? That's really simple to do. You go to your Gmail settings and you enable IMAP access. In my settings, I go to all settings and then forwarding and IMAP. You want to make sure that POP and IMAP is enabled. Next up, if you're using a non-Gmail account and you're trying to migrate that into Workspace, it might be that it's coming from a crappy web server and it's slow or buggy or it's dropping packets. Those kind of things happen all the time. One little tip if you're migrating mailboxes is that it is slow. The Google API only migrates 1 email per second, or maybe it's 10 emails per second, I don't know, but it's not very much and it takes a long time. What that means is that it can take days or even weeks for migrations to happen sometimes, so you do need to be patient as those are running. Whether it's coming from a Gmail account or a Workspace account, the ingest rate into Workspace can be pretty slow as well. So yeah, be mindful of that.
If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.